Hi, beautiful people. Today I'm going to share these heels. They're very nice for summer, spring. The heel is kind of high. It's definitely on the high side. Just take a look, enjoy, and at the end, I'm going to show you what else I have in store to show you later. I hope you enjoyed this review. Follow, like for more, and this will really encourage my channel. So please like it and subscribe. Be happy to see you next time.